Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says the equilibrium A gas plus 4B gas gives AB4 gas is attained by mixing equal moles of A and B in a 1 liter vessel. Then at equilibrium, option 1, concentration of A is equal to concentration of B. Option 2, concentration of A is more than concentration of B. Option 3, concentration of A is less than concentration of B. Option 4, concentration of AB4 is more than concentration of A. So, the key concept that we will be doing in this question is chemical equilibrium. So, पहले तो बच्चों देखते हैं हमें जो रिएक्शन गिवन है. The reaction given to us is A, that is gaseous, plus 4B, that is also gaseous, is in equilibrium with AB4, which is also gaseous. So, firstly, at T is equal to 0, मतलब कि जिस टाइम पे मेरा रिएक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ, इनिशियली A और B के इक्वल मोल्स लिए गए. So, supposingly, I took n moles of A and n moles of B. और AB4 के मोल 0 होंगे because initially सिर्फ reactants होंगे, products नहीं होंगे. Then, at equilibrium, some amount of A and B has reacted to give AB4. A का X amount react करेगा, B का 4x रिएक्ट करेगा बिकॉज A और B 1 और 4 रेशियो में है देयर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर स्टोइकियोमेट्री. AB4 का x अमाउंट फॉर्म होगा. सो एट इक्विलिब्रियम द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ A बिकम n minus x, number of moles of B become n minus 4x and number of moles of AB4 become x. Now, we are asked about the concentration of the components. Concentration of A becomes number of moles of A upon volume. Because the volume given in the question is 1 liter, so सारे cases के लिए volume 1 ही होगी because gaseous mixture पूरे vessel की volume same रहती है. So, the concentration of A will become n minus x, number of moles of A, divided by volume, that is 1. So, this will come out to be n minus x. Concentration of B will become number of moles of B, n minus 4x upon volume of the vessel, that is 1. So, ये बन जाएगा n minus 4x. Concentration of AB4 will become number of moles of AB4 x upon volume of the vessel, that is 1. This will be x. अब देखा जाए तो B जो है वो ज्यादा डिसोसिएट कर रहा है देन A because according to the stoichiometry A and B are in the ratio 1:4. So I can deduce from this that concentration of A at equilibrium is more than the concentration of B at equilibrium. Also, concentration of AB4 is less than the concentration of A at equilibrium. So, the correct answer to the question is option 2. Concentration of A is greater than the concentration of B at equilibrium. I hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.